Exactly. Bro, business is hard.
What happened again?
I spent $350,000 on Facebook ads this month.
Nice. How much did you make?
About $68,000.
Wait. You spent $350K to make $68K?
Yes.
Friend B. That's not advertising. That's donating money to Meta. I don't understand.
People clicked. People even messaged me. But nobody bought.
Exactly. Clicks don't pay bills. Conversations do. Follow-up does. Automation does.
But I reply everybody.
3 hours later?
Sometimes tomorrow?
Exactly. Your customer has already bought from your competitor.
So what should I do?
Learn how modern businesses sell. Not just how to run ads. How to capture leads. How to automate WhatsApp. How to follow up automatically. How to recover abandoned customers. How to close sales while you're sleeping. That sounds difficult. Actually, most business owners can learn it in just a few days.
Seriously?
Yes. Instead of guessing every month, learn the system once. Use it forever.
Where?
Connector.com. They teach business owners how to combine Facebook ads, Instagram, WhatsApp automation, AI, email, and CRM into one customer journey that actually converts.
So I don't need to keep wasting money?
Spend smarter. Track everything. Automate everything. Follow up with everyone. That's where the money is.
I think I've been advertising without having a sales system.
Exactly. Ads bring attention. Systems make profit.
Stop paying for clicks that never become customers. Learn practical customer acquisition and automation with MambaiO.com. Marketing is expensive. Wasting your marketing budget is even more expensive. Visit Connector.com.